How to create bank rules in Xero full guide. To create bank rules in Xero. First, you need to understand what bank rules are and how they can help you with your accounting tasks. Bank rules are used to automate the process of coding transactions in Xero, saving you time and reducing errors. To get started, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Bank Accounts section. From there, select the bank account you want to create a rule for and click on the Bank Rules tab. Click on the New Bank Rule button to create a new rule. You will be asked to specify the conditions for the rule, such as the transaction type, description, and amount. You can also specify the account and tax rate to be applied to the transactions that match the rule. For example, you can create a rule to automatically code all transactions from a specific supplier to the office expenses account. Once you have specified the conditions and actions for the rule, click Save to apply the rule to your bank account. Xero will then automatically apply the rule to all existing and future transactions that match the conditions. It is a good idea to regularly review and update your bank rules to ensure they are still relevant and accurate. By following these steps and using bank rules effectively, you can streamline your accounting processes and make the most out of Xero's automation features. Best practices for creating bank rules include keeping the rules as specific as possible, using clear and descriptive names for the rules, and testing the rules to ensure they are working as expected. By creating and using bank rules in Xero, you can save time, reduce errors, and improve the accuracy of your financial records.